Let everyone know on the 93 SP Baseball, we're going to wait to open this in the PSA show tomorrow.
Okay.
And we're going to give someone in this pack a special prize. Make sure you watch the show tomorrow to check it out.
Okay.
I also have the 71 Topps Hockey. That's great. 84 you can go ahead with.
Okay.
And then 71's for tomorrow. So these are for tomorrow. Very cool. Was there anything interesting in the SP Game Used 2015?
No. It was like a $40 card. It was only one pack.
Yeah, no, I know.
Yeah. It's 5 cards. 5 cards.
I called it a box, but it's 5 cards.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's nothing exciting.
Nothing earth shattering.
So, I'll leave it up to you.
Okay, guys, here we go. 73 basketball. See if I can't salvage the sticker, guys. Someone will get the sticker. Bill Hewitt.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I only want this as a shoot. Yeah, rather than FedEx, we left the overnight check back.
Walt Wesley.
Just verify the cards we get them, see the scans.
Fred Hilton. Jim Chu. Henry Finkel. Joe A. John Tresvant. ABA leaders. Rich Jones. Dave Robish. Julius Key. Mike Barr. And the Colonel's sticker will be randomed off. Eight. Jim Chu is the winner. I got 2 more. One more person. One more purchase. One more. We fill the snap fill. No, we didn't get any PSA yet, Chris. unfortunately. Alright guys, this is the last pack we're going to open tonight. 84 Topps Football.